In recent years, Arkansas's Division of Children and Family Services has faced multiple lawsuits highlighting systemic failures in protecting the most vulnerable, our children. These cases reveal a disturbing pattern of neglect, where clear signs of danger were ignored, leading to tragic outcomes. In 2019, the case of Minor Children versus Arkansas DHS brought to light how the agency failed to act on repeated warnings of abuse. Despite clear evidence, DCFS's inaction resulted in severe harm to the children involved. The Arkansas Supreme Court emphasized the need for accountability, yet the system's flaws remained. Another heartbreaking case, Edwards versus Thomas in 2021, involved the deaths of children placed in a dangerous foster home. Despite numerous warnings about the foster parents' ability to care for these children safely, DCFS chose to ignore them. The consequences were fatal, and the case resulted in a significant financial settlement, but the loss is irreplaceable. In the Anderson case, a child was severely injured in a foster home that hadn't been properly vetted. This tragic event highlighted systemic failures in background checks and foster home assessments. How many more children must suffer before real change is made? These cases are not just isolated incidents. They point to a broader, more troubling pattern within the Arkansas DCFS, where systemic negligence and failures to protect those in need have led to irreparable harm. If we are to prevent these tragedies from repeating, urgent reforms are needed. The safety of our children should never be compromised. Arkansas Division of Children and Family Services has not only failed the children in its care, but has also faced significant internal challenges that have led to legal action. These internal issues highlight the dysfunction within the agency and the severe consequences that follow. In Hicks versus Arkansas DHS, Bobby Joe Hicks, a DCFS employee, filed a lawsuit after being reassigned to a clerical position following heart surgery. Hicks claimed this reassignment was retaliatory and discriminatory, exacerbating his health issues. This case exposed the toxic work environment and the agency's disregard for employee welfare. The Smith versus Arkansas DHS case further illustrates internal failures. A child was wrongfully removed from their family based on incomplete or incorrect information. This led to unnecessary trauma for the family and highlighted the need for rigorous investigative standards within the agency. The emotional and psychological damage caused by these wrongful removals cannot be overstated. Then there's the Garcia case, where DCFS failed to conduct thorough background checks on foster parents. This negligence led to a child being sexually abused in their care. The legal fallout from this case was severe, resulting in legislative changes aimed at improving foster home monitoring. But the damage had already been done. These cases demonstrate the deep-seated issues within Arkansas's DCFS. Poor management, inadequate procedures, and a lack of oversight have not only harmed children, but have also led to costly legal battles. Strong leadership and comprehensive reforms are essential if we are to restore trust in the system and ensure that both children and employees are protected.